is for educational purposes only, and we strongly advise not to replicate it personally. So you can see this is the latest version, right? And this video should be able to solve issues where you're unable to use the payment models on free plan, or your account is suddenly being downgraded. You can see on Cursor Forum it was announced. If you try using the auto method, it should work as before, just in case you need to like finish up your last request. But aside that, to resolve the issue permanently, just stay with me. So you come onto the browser, right? And after clicking manage, and you need to clear the cache manually, right? Automated methods doesn't work, and I will show you that just here. So we can see the cookies what we have. This is for Chrome. You can left click and click inspect. And when you try to clear your cache, right? Yeah, the cookies, you try to clear your cache, empty cache add reload, you can see there the cookies are still there, right? And you're still logged in. So for you to clear your footprint and not, your account doesn't get downgraded, you need to actually manually use the clear right click and use the clear button. And you see you're now signed out. Then you need to create an account with a valid email address that has not been flagged for mass sign up. And you can see the video yet in case you don't know where to get that from. Next, you need to reset your machine ID. You can get that from messyhacks.com. You get a script and you use that script to reset the ID or any other one you're comfortable with. After the script is done running, then you need to log in with a new account. You put in your email address, your password. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave comments, and turn on notifications so you are aware of latest updates. And then now you're logged in with a new account, and you can see you have pro trial. Now put it in mind, the reason why this doesn't work before was because you're in the free trial. So when you create a new account and you're in the pro trial, then you can actually use the premium model. So you can see I'm using 3.5 Sonnet and it is working. So now just to recap, you have the issues where you're getting you can't use payment models is because of the change on the free plan, and you have to move to the pro trial. And then if you're having the issues of your account being downgraded, it's because you're not cleaning up your fingerprints properly. And you can see how to do that by manually clearing your cookies and cache. I think if this video is valuable to you, if it works for you, you have to like and subscribe, and engage my comment section so YouTube can know this quality content.